Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to write on a PDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To write on a PDF, here in Evernote, you can use the annotation feature, which is available to Evernote Premium or professional subscribers and even the free plan. Alright, so depending on your platform that you're using, if you're using the Evernote on web or the desktop application and even on the mobile device, I want you to hover to the app, open that, and there is a section here that says notebooks. I want you to click on the notes that you are going to edit the PDF. In my case, I am going to work on this specific note. All right, so the first thing obviously is to attach a PDF. How you can do that? Tap in on the screen. There should be a plus button beside the camera icon. From there, you can attach, click the attachment just beneath a link to note. If you do, it will forward you to your local directory. And I'm going to attach this PDF right here. Okay. What will happen is this is going to be the PDF, right? All I have to do is click that PDF that you have recently attached. All right. There should be a three dots icon here at the bottom, right? It says edit and annotate. So if you click that, you will be forwarded here. Now, in this situation, you see there are multiple ways that you can do. For example, this you can put in probably an arrow right here, maybe this. Now, on the bottom right corner, there is kind of like an arrow icon. If you click that, it would give you all of these tools that you can use. Simply click the A for the text, right? And the text would give you something like how to write PDF. All right. See that? All right. How to PDF. All right. So if we click that, we can make it like a little bit bigger. All right. So say how to write on PDF. And then you can add more text along the way and just click this text button and you would be forwarded to the section. All right, so you have the image that was converted to the image from the PDF. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is if you want to save this, and maybe if you want to share this note alongside the PDF that was annotated to your collaborators. You can enter their name, their email, which is kind of like a useful if you are working in a collaborative environment where multiple freelancers are working alongside you within a specific project. Make sure that you give them an access level for that they can edit and invite people with access. And of course, you can want to make sure that anyone with link can edit and copy. Just enter their name here and edit. So basically, although the mobile device is kind of like has a limitations in terms of marking up and using the annotation tools, it would be best if you use the web version so you can unlock all the tools for you to edit the PDF. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.